So on this review on question number 3, we're trying to solve this formula for B1. We're trying to get B1 all by itself. And that's the formula for the area of a trapezoid. That's not something that you have to have memorized, but the point here is to be able to rearrange a formula so that you can put it in terms of whatever variable that you want. When we're saying we're solving this for B1, then that means we have B1 or B sub 1 is equal to, and then you have all this other stuff on the other side of the equation. You're trying to get it by itself. You're trying to isolate it. So if I'm trying to isolate B1, notice that it's part of these parentheses, so we got to get that by itself first. So I would recommend getting rid of the 1/2. To get rid of the 1/2, let me go ahead and just write the equation down again. A equals 1/2, B sub 1 plus B sub 2 times the height. I want to get rid of the 1/2. When we get rid of fractions, we just basically multiply by the reciprocal here. So we're just going to multiply both sides by 2. So when I multiply by 2, then this 1/2 is gone. I don't multiply it times the parentheses. I don't multiply it times h because this is just straight multiplication, and the 1/2 and the 2 completely cancel. But then I also have to multiply by the a over here. So I have 2 times the area is equal to, in parentheses, b sub 1 plus b sub 2 times the height. Okay, so I still need to get the parentheses alone. I need to get rid of the h. The h is multiplying times the parentheses, so I'm going to have to divide both sides by h. Divide by h, and that'll get rid of the h on the right-hand side. And over here on the left-hand side, we'll have 2a over h is equal to, and I don't need the parentheses anymore because there's nothing being multiplied. It's b sub 1 plus b sub 2. And I'm trying to get b1 by itself. I need to get rid of b2. It's being added on that side, so to get it over to this other side, I just have to subtract it. So I have 2a over h minus b sub 2 is equal to b sub 1. And, of course, if you would rather have that thing switched around or flipped around, you can write it as b sub 1 is equal to 2a over h minus b sub 2.